Hibiscus health benefits. How this flower can transform your wellness. The secret power of the hibiscus flower. Imagine that you are in a garden, surrounded by flowers of intense and vibrant colors. And in the middle of them is a mysterious flower, with petals as red as fire. Now, imagine that this flower has the power to change your health forever. That's right. The hibiscus is not only beautiful, it carries within itself a power that many people still don't know about. Long ago, in ancient civilizations, this flower was used as a natural remedy to heal and strengthen the body. Today, it is here to transform your life too. Did you know that something as simple as hibiscus tea can do wonders for your body? Yes, it can be the key to iron health, incredible skin, and even make you stronger inside and out. And best of all, it is within your reach, ready to surprise you. Now imagine a drink simple to prepare, but that can make your heart stronger, your skin more beautiful, and your energy sky high. That's hibiscus. Let's discover together how it can transform your health in a way you never imagined. Supports heart health. Imagine your heart as the engine of your body. It keeps everything running smoothly, but like any engine, it needs care and attention to stay strong. That's where hibiscus comes in, like a superhero cape for your heart. Once upon a time, there was a little flower with big dreams. While others just swayed in the breeze, the hibiscus wanted to help people feel their best. Scientists discovered its secret. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that fight off damage inside your body. These antioxidants are especially helpful for your heart, keeping it strong and protected. Hibiscus tea is a magical drink when it comes to blood pressure. Imagine your blood vessels as highways, and over time traffic can build up. This causes your heart to work extra hard, like trying to drive in a big traffic jam. Drinking hibiscus tea can help clear that traffic, making the roads smooth again, and easing the pressure on your heart. Studies even show it's as effective as some medications, just without the side effects. And there's more. Hibiscus also helps balance cholesterol levels, reducing the bad LDL cholesterol that can clog those highways. With fewer blockages, your heart can beat happily and healthily, powering your body like a well-oiled machine. So picture yourself holding a warm cup of hibiscus tea. With each sip, you're giving your heart the tools it needs to keep you moving, dancing, and laughing through life. That's the magic of hibiscus, a little flower with a big love for your heart. Before you go, I have one important thing to check. Are you still subscribed to the channel? Make sure you don't miss out on all the amazing wellness tips, health secrets, and more transformative content like this. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button now and join the family. Let's keep this journey to better health and vitality going together, one step at a time. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you'll always be the first to know when new content drops. Stay glowing, stay healthy. Aids in weight management. Hibiscus is a natural ally for anyone striving to manage their weight in a healthy and sustainable way. This powerful flower offers a combination of unique properties that support metabolism, help control appetite, and maintain balanced blood sugar levels, making it an excellent addition to a weight management routine. One of the key benefits of hibiscus is its ability to support metabolism. Compounds found in hibiscus, such as polyphenol and flavonoids, are known to enhance the body's ability to break down and process fats. By improving fat metabolism, hibiscus tea may help prevent fat accumulation in the body, particularly in the liver, where excessive fat storage can lead to health complications. Another significant advantage of hibiscus is its natural diuretic properties. By encouraging the elimination of excess water and toxins through urine, hibiscus tea can help reduce bloating and water weight, contributing to a leaner appearance. Unlike synthetic diuretics, hibiscus is gentle and rich in essential nutrients, ensuring that your body stays hydrated and balanced. Hibiscus also helps regulate appetite, making it easier to avoid overeating or giving in to unhealthy cravings. Studies suggest that hibiscus can influence the production of certain enzymes in the digestive system, slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars. This results in a steadier release of energy and prevents the sharp spikes and drops in blood sugar levels that often lead to hunger pangs and energy crashes. Blood sugar management is another critical factor in weight control, and hibiscus excels in this area as well. By improving insulin sensitivity and helping to regulate glucose levels, hibiscus tea can reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, a common issue for those struggling with weight. Stable blood sugar levels not only make it easier to maintain a healthy weight, but also improve overall energy levels and mood. In addition to these benefits, hibiscus tea is naturally low in calories and free from artificial additives, making it an ideal alternative to sugary beverages. Incorporating hibiscus into your daily routine is as simple as brewing a cup of tea, allowing you to enjoy its refreshing flavor while reaping its weight management benefits. By supporting fat metabolism, controlling appetite, and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, hibiscus is a comprehensive and natural solution for weight management. It's a simple, effective, and delicious way to support your health and achieve your wellness goals without resorting to extreme diets or fad trends. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried hibiscus for its health benefits? What's your favorite way to incorporate it into your routine? As tea, in skincare, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat about how hibiscus has impacted your wellness journey. And don't forget to share any other natural health tips you swear by. I love reading your responses and learning from your experiences. Boosts immune system. Hibiscus is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants that provide essential support to the immune system. Packed with vitamin C, anthocyanins, and a range of polyphenol, hibiscus helps fortify the body's defenses against infections and diseases, making it an excellent choice for maintaining overall health. One of the standout components in hibiscus is its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a well-known immune booster, vital for the production and activity of white blood cells. These cells act as the body's first line of defense, fighting off harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea or extracts can help ensure your body has adequate levels of this critical nutrient, especially during periods of stress or seasonal illnesses. In addition to vitamin C, hibiscus contains bioactive compounds with potent antioxidant properties, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can weaken the immune system over time. By reducing oxidative stress, hibiscus not only strengthens immune responses, but also lowers the risk of chronic diseases that may arise from prolonged cellular damage. Hibiscus also exhibits antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies have shown that extracts from the hibiscus plant can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and viruses, providing a natural way to complement the immune system's efforts in protecting the body. For example, some research suggests that hibiscus may be effective against strains of E. coli and even have potential antiviral activity, although more studies are needed to confirm these effects. Moreover, hibiscus contains essential minerals such as iron, which plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy immune response. Iron supports the production of hemoglobin, which is responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, ensuring that immune cells function optimally. By incorporating hibiscus into your daily routine, whether as tea, supplements, or in other dietary forms, you can give your immune system a natural boost. This simple habit provides a delicious and effective way to enhance your body's resilience against illness, ensuring you stay healthy and energetic year-round. Supports digestive health. Hibiscus is a natural ally for maintaining a healthy digestive system. With its range of beneficial compounds, including organic acids, polyphenol, and dietary fiber, hibiscus promotes efficient digestion, alleviates discomfort, and nurtures the gut microbiome. A standout benefit of hibiscus is its gentle laxative effect. This can help relieve occasional constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The organic acids found in hibiscus, such as citric acid and malic acid, play a role in stimulating digestive enzymes. These enzymes assist in breaking down food more effectively, ensuring nutrients are absorbed efficiently while preventing issues like bloating and indigestion. Hibiscus also contains polyphenol, which serve as prebiotics. Prebiotics are compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria, supporting the balance of the microbiome. A healthy microbiome is essential for digestion, as it aids in breaking down complex carbohydrates, synthesizing vitamins, and protecting the gut lining from harmful pathogens. By fostering a diverse and robust gut flora, hibiscus contributes to long-term digestive well-being. For individuals with sensitive stomachs or inflammatory conditions like gastritis, hibiscus offers soothing properties. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce irritation in the stomach lining, easing symptoms like discomfort and acid reflux. Furthermore, studies suggest that the antimicrobial properties of hibiscus may help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, such as Helicobacter pylori, which is often linked to stomach ulcers. Hibiscus is also hydrating, thanks to its natural diuretic properties. This supports the kidneys and urinary tract by flushing out toxins and preventing fluid retention, indirectly benefiting the digestive process. Proper hydration is key for smooth digestion and the prevention of common issues like constipation and sluggish bowel movements. The antioxidants in hibiscus, particularly anthocyanins, further protect the digestive tract from oxidative damage. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress in the gut are associated with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and Crohn's disease. By neutralizing free radicals, hibiscus helps maintain the integrity and functionality of the gastrointestinal system. Incorporating hibiscus into your daily routine, whether as a warm tea after meals or as a refreshing cold brew, can provide a gentle yet effective boost to digestive health. Its natural properties ensure smoother digestion, reduced inflammation, and a well-nourished gut, making it a delicious and functional addition to any diet. Improve skin health. Hibiscus has earned a place in the beauty world as the Botox plant due to its impressive ability to promote youthful, glowing skin. Known for its powerful combination of antioxidants and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, hibiscus offers a range of benefits that can help rejuvenate the skin, reduce the signs of aging, and promote a smoother complexion. One of the key ways hibiscus enhances skin health is through its exfoliating properties. The natural AHAs found in hibiscus gently remove dead skin cells from the surface, revealing a brighter and more radiant complexion. These AHAs also help to smooth the skin's texture by stimulating the production of new skin cells, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. Regular use of hibiscus, either as a tea or in skincare products, can help clear away impurities and dead skin, allowing the skin to regenerate more effectively. In addition to its exfoliating benefits, hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, that help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These free radicals, which are often triggered by environmental factors like UV rays, pollution, and stress, can contribute to the breakdown of collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to premature aging. Hibiscus' antioxidant-rich composition helps neutralize these free radicals, reducing the risk of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. Hibiscus also improves skin elasticity, a critical factor in maintaining a youthful appearance. The flavonoids and peptides in hibiscus help to increase the production of collagen, the protein that gives the skin its firmness and structure. By stimulating collagen production, hibiscus can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and sagging skin, giving the face a firmer, more lifted appearance. Beyond its anti-aging effects, hibiscus can also help manage acne-prone skin. The plant's natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in preventing and treating breakouts. Hibiscus helps balance the skin's oil production while reducing redness and irritation, which can help calm active acne lesions and prevent new ones from forming. It also helps to cleanse the skin of impurities and toxins, which can further reduce the risk of clogged pores and acne flare-ups. Whether consumed as tea, incorporated into skincare products, or used in DIY face masks, hibiscus provides a natural, effective solution for maintaining youthful, clear, and radiant skin. Its ability to exfoliate, protect against oxidative damage, boost collagen production, and reduce acne make it a versatile and valuable ingredient in any skincare routine. Embrace the hibiscus lifestyle. As we've explored throughout this video, hibiscus isn't just a beautiful flower. It's a powerhouse of benefits that can truly transform your health and well-being. From supporting heart health to promoting glowing skin, hibiscus offers a natural and effective way to boost your vitality. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing cup of hibiscus tea, applying it topically in skincare products, or incorporating it into your daily meals, the versatility of this flower makes it an easy addition to any lifestyle. The benefits of hibiscus are not just about feeling good in the moment, but about setting the foundation for long-term wellness. Its powerful antioxidants fight free radicals, helping to prevent the signs of aging. The antioxidants in hibiscus protect your skin, support your heart, and strengthen your immune system, making it a truly holistic health ally. Whether you're looking to regulate blood pressure, boost metabolism, or maintain a youthful appearance, hibiscus has something to offer for every part of your body. So why wait? Embrace the hibiscus lifestyle today. Start by incorporating this magical flower into your daily routine and experience the many ways it can enhance your health. With hibiscus, you're not just drinking a flower, you're nourishing your body inside and out. Transform your wellness, one sip at a time.